NowThis, a social media-focused news organization, racks up to 2.6 billion video views per month across its platforms. It covers issues that millennials care about enough to watch and shares short videos on the topic. It got us thinking, and we wanted to figure out how they do it. We dissected the video content pixel by pixel, second by second. And here's what we learned. Brand essentials are the key. Brand essentials such as the logo, font, color scheme, and the overall style need to be consistent. This helps register the brand in people's minds and build viewer loyalty. Firstly, we have the logo. If you watch carefully enough, you'll notice that all NowThis videos have the logo on the top right corner, keeping it simple and easy. You will also notice different logos for different videos. The videos usually end with an animated version of the logo as the outro. Then we have the font. The brand uses one font. Caliber, used in bold to emphasize and point within a text, and medium italic used everywhere else. It is a safe font and is easily readable and most commonly seen in road signages. Next, we have the color. Simple yet powerful is the best way to describe the brand colors at NowThis. With the basic black, white, and a dash of yellow in text and iconography, the brand's color scheme is neat and straightforward across videos for different platforms. The last element would be captions. According to neuroscience, we remember 10% of what we read, 30% of what we see, and 50% of what we read and understand. NowThis has created a unique way of presenting stories, combining visuals, audio, and text. It is one of the first brands to use a lot of text overlays on its videos, intentionally, which capture viewers' attention on silent autoplays. NowThis uses a lot of third-party footage sourced from different resources. This humanizes the news and provides meaningful context around the issues. They also engage a global audience across social platforms, providing short-form, bite-sized videos, as well as longer, in-depth content. Make every second count with the duration and pace. The short and snappy format helps to save time and adds a high-energy feel. The time of the video also varies depending on platforms. Lastly, invoke thought-provoking conversations. Creating videos that foster conversation and push toward change is essential. All this can be made simpler with our online video editing tool, Typito. With its pre-designed templates inspired by NowThis and other big brands, you can create your own masterpiece. Upload your content. You can then add your brand colors, fonts, and even your logo. Don't forget to keep your videos short and engaging. Liked the video? Try out Typito for free by clicking the link in the description and subscribe to our YouTube channel for actionable tips to design professional-looking videos on your own.